true girl has been unkind. And I'm gonna try to find a word that to describe her soul. And the word is sympathize, sympathize with him. Well, you know, little girl, you've been treating me bad. Well, you leave me heartbroken and now I'm mad. And I'm gonna try to find a word that would describe her soul. And the word is sympathize, sympathize with him. Well, if you find me just a little bit out of my mind, sympathize. Well, you know my true girl has been unkind. Sympathize. I'm gonna try to find a word that will describe her soul.